It's a huge market, it's fast growing, and we know there's a lot of opportunity here. You help provide some of the data, and you have, of course, you can help teams manage their own data. Is that your advantage in this market?
Well, the advantage is the data is the raw material, and based on this data, we apply algorithms, machine learning, AI, to make the products for our clients that they can do a good business. And it's all about this. So for sports betting operators, they need probabilities, they need to manage risk, they need to do programmatic advertising. All those things are possible because of our software and the data which we have as a raw material.
Carsten, talk to us about what you're getting from this IPO and what you learned from a SPAC process that didn't work out.
Well, look, we always have been running a dual-track process from the very beginning, which is quite intensive. So if you run those two tracks, but it paid off for us. And I had to do a decision at one point in time, which was in the interest of the shareholders and of the employees. And I think it was the right decision. I'm standing here today on NASDAQ, and we are in a line with companies like Microsoft or Amazon or Google. This is really fascinating time for us. Looking to the SPAC, you saw the person standing left to me. His name is Todd Boehly, and Todd is leading Eldridge, and that was the SPAC which we had been discussing about. I think that says you everything about the relation, and he is one of our biggest shareholders now with the private placement.
So where do you consider your biggest competitive threat, Carsten, given that you have agreements with teams and that you, as you say, you've got the raw material? Who else could be doing what you do in a way that would threaten you?
Well, I think we have no competitors. I think in the way how we do it, we are very unique. So we have that three business verticals, one with the teams and the leagues. When we provide technology, we collect data and information. We provide services for video coaching, for sports analytics here. On samples, we are the biggest for college baseball and basketball in the US in this space. Then from a sports betting perspective, we have that global reach. We are since 20 years in that market, and we are leading this marketplace. And we have brands like Apple, Facebook, Google, where we serve the media data and the applications. So all those three components together makes us pretty unique.
Carsten, we only have about 30 seconds here. How big do you see this market?
I see that market minimum to a 30 billion size in the US, total addressable TAM. For us, probably a 30%. Worldwide, nearly double that size, which I gave you. So we have huge growth opportunities in that market.